So it's a Samsung oven. We've had it about 18 months. It's broken. There's no light showing, and it doesn't work. So I don't know if you can see in that little gap there, you've got a little metal catch which comes down and out. I don't know if that's some sort of safety thing. If it goes overheats, then the door is latch closed or something, but either way the door won't open with that latch in place, and it's very hard to try and push it upwards with a fork or a sharp knife or something, which I've been trying to do for 10 minutes. So I've just got an angle grinder, and I've cut through that latch so I can get the door open. It looks like it's got very hot in there by the look of it. Maybe that triggered that little safety latch there. So it's quite a long way in here, so there's the bit I cut off, and it's gone down inside there. So I'm not really sure why the door latch was activated in that way. Perhaps it was put on the cleaning cycle by accident and the oven failed halfway through, and so it was jammed shut. But anyway, I needed to get the door open because you can't access these screws otherwise to take it out. So there you go. If your door won't open on your Samsung oven, it's probably because it's stuck halfway through a cleaning cycle, I guess, or it's an overheat protection thing, and you'll need to cut through that latch you could probably use a hacksaw blade if you're a bit more patient, but there you go. Anyway, I'll now be removing this and replacing it with an oven which hopefully lasts longer than 18 months. A real waste of materials. I might check it for fuses and things before I chuck it out, but who knows.